Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create Facebook account for any Android smartphone. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store. Here we'll want to find the Facebook, but make sure that you have some kind of internet connection, and in this case I'll be using Wi-Fi. You can go for mobile network, but I would strongly recommend using Wi-Fi. So now let's go for the search on Google Play Store, enter Facebook. Now you have two options. There's Facebook Lite, which takes a lot less space on your device, and there's also a normal Facebook. And in this case I'll be using normal one, so let's install it. After installation process is done, let's open it. Now right here you might get a pop-up with your Google accounts available, so you can choose any Google account to be used as a already pre-made account for this Facebook, but I'll be creating an entirely new account. So let's go for create new Facebook account. Then next, let's allow it. You can go with don't allow, but there might be some problems afterwards, so let me allow. Now you have this pop-up, so you can choose any of the accounts from your Google, that's Gmail, and I'm gonna press anywhere on the screen, and that way you will be able to pick a custom email. So right here, let's give the first name, the surname, move to the next step. What's your date of birth? So you can choose any date. Go to the next step. Pick your gender. You can go for female, male, or custom. I'm going with male. Here's enter mobile number. So enter any mobile number. I'll be entering mine, but off the camera. Now set up the password, and here let's go for something simple like this. Add your email address, and right here I want to skip it because I want to pick my own new email address. Let's sign up. Now you can see the phone number and the password as well, so make sure to remember that. Now they should send you the code on this number. But here you can also go for send SMS message again if it didn't arrive, change your phone number if you put it wrong, or go by confirm by email. And here let's go for confirm by email, and here enter email address, and you can pick the one that you want to use now. So I'll be picking the one I've created. Now on my another device, you should do this as well. Open the email address you've just put and wait for the email to arrive. So here is mine. Let's enter it right here. And the account was just created right now, so you can add a profile picture so that friends can find you, but you can also skip it, so let's do that. Turn on contact uploading, find friends faster, and not now as well. You can go for turn on, and that way you'll import your contacts, and if they are bound to any Facebook account, you'll be able to send a friend request instantly. So let's skip that for now. See more of what you're interested, see something that interests you on your Facebook. So pick any of your hobbies or favorite things right here, and that way you'll get more of the posts about it. So let's go for food and drink, for example. You can also see a lot more things if you click on a specific type of icon. So let's skip that. And here's the Facebook account created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.